What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on WSM and your daily update. We're covering it again. I will focus mostly on the technicals in this video, but later today I'll actually publish a video on all the news and all the announcements around Wall Street memes. Right now, as you can see, WSM is doing a buyback, will be completed in 5 days. Technically, there's also some things. It's actually, wow, you can actually trade perpetuals on OKX right now. That's pretty interesting. We'll focus a bit on the technicals. I mean, the technicals have basically been the same since Thursday, or at least yesterday. We'll do a brief update, what I said yesterday, what I still expect from here, what you should expect, everything around that. And then, like I said, we'll focus on the technicals now. Later today, I'll publish a video regarding all the news. They have some developments coming up, and also the buybacks and how they'll affect the price. We'll talk a little bit about that as well, of course, right now. But we have to. It influences the price. Before we dive into that, though, I do want to briefly remind you or tell you, if you're new to the channel, welcome, that I'm a profitable trader. I share my own trades in my premium group, and in there you also become a better trader and a more profitable trader. It's really focused on education, how to become a better trader. There's a chat room full of traders. You gain access to my trading guides. Very useful. If that sounds interesting, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, onto WSM. So what I said yesterday, and what I've been saying for the last 2 days, before this drop right here, is that it looks most likely that WSM is in some sort of a consolidation right now, right? I think most of us can agree on that. The volume is actually still pretty high, which is a good thing. Perhaps it's also because of the buybacks. I'm not sure. I don't think so, but it could be. But yeah, so we have that. The buyback was actually, yeah, so it's a $1 million initial buyback. That's actually not that much. If you take it over the entire volume over the last 24 hours, that's not that much money. But all right, so they maybe, if they're smart, they're doing it this weekend when the volume usually drops down, and then 1 million has more impact. But what I said is that it would drop down towards 4.5 cents, which happened right here. And that from there, we would see whether WSM would be able to regain its bullish momentum, get back up to the top of this range around 5.8 and 6 cents, or 6 and 6.2 cents. And that's kind of what we're still seeing right now. I mean, you can see in the price that there's a little bit more bearish momentum. It's definitely not as spiky and as bullish as before. But then again, like 4.5 cents and that entire support level between 4.3 and 4.5 cents has provided quite a lot of support yesterday, and it's still holding. So I would say technically that WSM is actually in a little bit of a smaller range right here, where this is the top. All right, so around 5.3 cents. So what we'll see in the next couple of days is that, or in next 24 hours is a bit quick, but what we'll see is that WSM will test that level around 5.2 and 5.3 cents. Then if it's not able to break above that level, even though we have the buyback coming up, then it's more likely that it will drop down towards 4.5 and 4.3 cents with all the risks being there of breaking down below that. And if WSM breaks below 4.3 cents, that would be a problem, all right? Because then it will drop down to sub 4 cents levels, and then we might even be talking about listing price levels again. But this is not, I mean, it all depends. Like I said, it all depends on how it reacts to 5.2 and 5.3. It's still, at this moment, because of the buyback program as well, it still looks like the most likely scenario that WSM will be able to break above that and stay in this wider consolidation, get back up to 5.9, 6 cents, and from there we'll see again whether it's able to break above that or not. It doesn't seem like it has enough momentum to do that right now. We can actually check out that momentum right now as well, right here. So yeah, you can see open interest is kind of at the same levels. Volume has not been increasing for the last couple of hours. So we'll be testing that, but it doesn't look like we have enough momentum to break through 6 cents. And get there is even going to be something difficult. All right, so that's the main thing to watch for. 5.2, 5.3, how will it react to that level? If a lot of resistance, then we'll test 4.5, 4.3 cents. And then depending on that support, we'll see. All right. For now, those are my thoughts. That's my analysis on WSM. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.